Sound pressure level calculation. Questions given: two machines producing 80 decibel each. What is the total sound pressure level? We will use the general equation SPLT equals to 10 by log. So these equations depends on how many machines that we have. So this, since the questions says that we have two machines, so we need to expand this part. So expanding this part, 10 to the power of 80 decibel for the first machine over 10. Okay, and then plus another same decibel for the second machine, so 80 over 10. Now simplify this part, so 2 by 10 to the power of 8. Okay, we will use our calculator. For this part, 10 by log 2 by shift log to the power of 8. So the answer would be 83. So 83 decibel.